My name is Dickow, and today I'm here to talk to you about a strange phenomenon that has been happening in the School of Music. Many of you may have noticed something odd, and it happens to do with students cutting off the ends of words, where normally this would not happen. This, my colleagues, has been dubbed abbreviations, or abbreves. Where, my friends, does this wild occurrence originate? And today, I've brought along a close personal colleague and abbreviation professional, DeRees. Hello, Caitlin. As you all may know, Caitlin is an abbreviation professional, as I am just a scholar on the topic. Caitlin, why don't you tell us a little bit about the origin of abbreviation usage in the School of Music, or the SOM?
Abbreve usage really all began around the SOM with marching band in the F alto section, which they like to refer to themselves as the Falts, with Randy Burson and Elizabeth Reynolds. They came to band camp one day saying things like, "Totes ridic," and "Oh, perf." We were all very confused and annoyed, but then we began using them, and it was like the plague. It spread everywhere.
There you have it, folks. Katie, why don't you tell me about some of your favorite abbreves?
My personal faves include Muse Theor,
Music theory.
Profesh,
Professional.
Pro,
Pro.
Motes Concert,
Mozart concerto.
Calf,
Eterio.
Nast Cough.
Nasty coffee. Ooh. Well, Katie, your information has been quite thorough and enjoyable. What does all of this mean, you may ask? Well, it means that mainstream society has accepted abbreviations as part of the cultural norms here at the School of Music. And, like Kesha, no matter how much you want them to go away and die in a hole somewhere where they'll never be seen or heard again, abbreviations are here to stay. Signing off, this is Abbreviation Specialist, PhD, Dickow.
What the hell? Interesting.
Katie, why don't you tell me about the origin